Hey, I have I have Mark Bean with me here on the call for a success story. Mark, I know you're a new JV. You started a few months ago. Please share your success story, just like bullet points, so people get to see and know what you did.
Yeah, so I met Cherif in October. I signed up for the JV training in November. I came to the live JV training in January, so just very consecutive. And then it was either right before or right after I got a McDonald, well, not a, I got an old Burger King building under contract in South Carolina. I followed the protocol. I did exactly what he said, just put it into practice, not reinventing the wheel. And I got McDonald's that bid it, and they said they wanted to buy it, not lease it. And
Yeah.
we ended up getting a contract with them, and I ended up netting a few months later from start to finish $81,000, and that was the singular largest paycheck I've ever received in my life.
You're
First of
awesome. And your background is wholesaling. You wanted to get into the bigger paycheck instead of 5, 10K. You went to 25K and then you went to an $81,000 return. And I know you're going to do even bigger deals because you got a lot going on in the pipeline. Thank you for your success story. It's going to inspire many people. Any words of wisdom for new people coming in?
Um, Show up on time, believe you can. Don't think that you're not worth, $100,000 deals, $1 million deals. Believe you're worth it. I believe you're worth it, and show up and don't make excuses. Try to be 1% better than you were yesterday every day on purpose.
Thank you, Mark, for taking the time to share your success story. So much wisdom in actually going out there and having the discipline to follow through. Thank you so much.
Yes, amen.